Your credit score can change in 30 days, but only if you fix the right things. Most people try for months and see little to no progress. And it's not because they're doing nothing, it's because they're focusing on the wrong things. You can be paying on time, doing everything you've been told, and your score still doesn't move. That's because your credit is sending the wrong signals. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 30-day plan to fix that, so your score actually starts going up. And the first step is the fastest one. And let's start with utilization. This just means how much of your credit you're using. This is where most people lose points and don't even know it. Utilization makes up a big part of your score. And the good part is you can fix it fast. Here's what most people don't know. The credit bureaus don't look at your balance on your due date. They look at your balance on your statement closing date. That's the number they record. So let's say you have a $3,000 balance on a $6,500 limit. That's about 46%. Even if you pay it off later, 46% already hit your report. That's what's hurting your score. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. At first, everything looks fine. Your usage is in a safe range and there's no immediate problem. But as that balance starts creeping up, your utilization increases, and that's where things begin to shift. Now, once it gets too high, that's when your credit starts working against you and your score begins to drop. Now think about this. Two people, same income, similar score. One has high balances, one has low balances. To a lender, those are two very different people. One looks in control, the other looks risky. That's the difference. Here's what you do. You make two payments. One payment before your statement closes. This lowers what gets reported. Then you make your normal payment before the due date. That first payment is what moves your score. This is where most people mess up. Here's the part most people miss. You can lower your usage without paying more by increasing your limit. If your limit goes up, your percentage drops. Same balance, better numbers, and when you get that number under 10%, that's when your credit starts looking strong. And that's what lenders want to see. Now, this alone can move your score fast. But if you stop here, your credit can still look weak. This next step is one of the fastest ways to make your credit look stronger. But most people don't use it right. Lenders don't just look at your score. They look at your credit history, how long you've had accounts, how many accounts you have. Now think about this. If you only have a couple of accounts, you look new. But if your credit shows longer history, you look more experienced. That's where this strategy comes in. When you're added as an authorized user on someone else's card, that account shows up on your credit. You don't need to use the card. You don't even need to touch it, but it still helps your credit. And it can show up in about 30 to 60 days. That's fast, but here's the key. The account has to be clean. You want long history, low balance, and no missed payments. One strong account can make a big difference. Now, even if your credit looks stronger, there's still one thing that can hold you back. This is what most people ignore. Even if your score looks good, this still matters. Lenders want to see more than just credit cards. They want to see that you can handle different types of credit. Like a loan, this shows more experience. If you only have credit cards, you're showing one side. When you add a loan, you show more. That makes your credit stronger. Now let's talk about something that can hurt you fast. Inquiries. Every time you apply, it shows up. One or two is fine, but too many spread out over time, that looks risky. It can look like you're chasing credit. That's the problem. Instead, you want to group your applications together in a short time. This shows you're being smart, not desperate. Same actions, different story. That's what lenders see. Now let's put all of this together. If you follow this, your credit can look very different in 30 days. Here's what to do. Days 1 through 7, check your credit reports. Fix any errors. Ask for credit limit increases. Days 8 through 21. Start making payments before your statement closes. Lower your balances. Add an authorized user if you can. Open a credit builder loan if needed. Days 22 through 30. Plan your applications. Group them together. Watch your statement dates. Control what gets reported. These small changes add up fast. And this is what moves your score. Your credit score doesn't change just because of time. It changes because of what you do. If you want to see what your credit looks like right now and what's holding you back, use the AI Credit Pro tool in the description. It shows you exactly what to fix. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple credit tips. And next, watch this video because your score might look good, but lenders could still be seeing something different.